Good morning, this is Paul, and if you're a fan of AEONIUMs, you need to check this one out. Now this is called AEONIUM MERLOT, or Merlot pinwheels. Now it's a new hybrid. I don't know much about it, and you can see I got it at Waterwise Botanicals. And you can see the website here. So not much information is given online about this hybrid, but it's really beautiful, and what I like about it is it will take part sun to full sun if you live coastal. So it's pretty sun tolerant for an AEONIUM, and it doesn't get too tall. So it will get 1 foot in height and 2 to 3 feet wide. And it will actually develop even more purple on the edges here as we get into the summer months. So it's a really beautiful contrast of green and purple. And also the shapes of the leaves are different than some of the other AEONIUMs here, as you can see. That's what I find so interesting about them. So let me go show you the mother plant of this one that is about a year old, and it was a cutting this size about a year ago. All right, let's go check it out. So here it is. You can see it's really beautiful. It's just starting to get more of that reddish tint on its outer leaves here. And it's just going to increase in time as it gets more sun. So you can see it likes to clump a lot, it stays low, and they say it's really durable and tough. You can't grow this in a pot or native soil. As you can see here, it just needs to be well-draining soil, and you need to let the soil dry out between waterings. So don't overwater it, or it will lead to rot. This plant's hardy to the upper 20s, so it's very cold tolerant for an AEONIUM. And it will get 2 to 3 feet wide in time. So just a beautiful new hybrid. I wish I knew more about it. And if you know anything about it, please give us a comment. And they will get much larger than this. Again, this was just a cutting about 14 months ago. Look like this. Okay, AEONIUM MERLOT. Give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.